You wouldn't know it just by walking around the downtown, but this part of Prince George is home to an energy system that has been the city's #1 initiative to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. It's also one of only a handful of municipal energy systems anywhere in Canada that primarily uses a renewable energy source. The Downtown Renewable Energy System provides heat to about a dozen downtown buildings. They are among the most well-known and popular buildings in the community: City Hall, the Wood Innovation and Design Center, the Library, and Two Rivers Gallery, the RCMP Detachment, and the Courthouse. The courthouse alone has seen its greenhouse gas emissions drop 30% since it connected in 2018. Savings of natural gas and carbon offsets have already topped $100,000. The heat for the system is generated at Lakeland Mills. Sawmill residuals are burned to heat water, and the water travels in pipes under the rail yard before ending up at this building, the Downtown Renewable Energy Center.
This would be the heartbeat of the system. From here, we can monitor how the system is functioning. So are we meeting enough flow, enough heat and temperatures for space heating or domestic hot water at each building respectively?
The pumps inside the energy center circulate the hot water to the downtown buildings through a piping network that is typically invisible. But a recent construction project to expand the system provided an unusual opportunity to see what's underground.
Right now we're directly in front of the keg, which is in the corner of George Street and 6th Avenue. So we're about 1/3 of the way into the distribution system for the district energy. So what we've got here is an 8-inch line, a supply line, which is on the right-hand side, and a return line, which is on the left-hand side. So these lines are what feed all of the buildings throughout the district energy system. You'll notice that there's a black jacket on the outside, which is an HTP coating. Then there's an insulation layer, which has a leak detection wire that's included in it. And then we get down to the steel pipe, which actually contains the flow of the hot water.
This is a very unique system and it's new to Canada. What's the most impressive part about it is the amount of energy a pipe can carry. This system, it can handle 5 megawatts at this moment. 5 megawatts can heat a lot of space and is very responsive. And state-of-the-art technology, we can literally feel the pumps in this building ramp up and down when a building opens up because someone's using hot water. It's very responsive, the technology is impressive, and a lot of energy is being conveyed through a small piece of pipe.
Just how much energy was demonstrated during the winter of 2020 when temperatures in Prince George dipped below -40 degrees. Through the cold snap, every building connected to the system remained fully heated by renewable energy alone.
This system had no hiccups. It was easy for it, and we were only using actually under half of its capacity.
Currently, we have about 11 buildings that are connected, but we believe that we could get double or possibly even triple the number of connections.
With room for expansion, the Downtown Renewable Energy System could still add more connections, which would keep more energy dollars local and reduce the carbon footprint of downtown Prince George.